All right, guys, so here's an example of a problem that has no solution. Let me show you why. We have a factory with machines that produce toys. One day, each machine produces 14 toys, and each worker packs 2 toys away, so a total of 40 toys remain unpacked. The number of workers that day was 8 less than 7 times the number of machines. A lot of information, but let's take it a step at a time and we'll be fine. Guys, for this problem, instead of calling it X's and Y's, I want to use letters that, matter more in this problem. Like, how about we use an M for machines? We don't know how many machines there were, so we're going to call it the number of machines. And what do you think we're going to use for the other letter? Instead of a Y, let's call it W for workers, right? Number of workers. We don't know how many there are of each. Well, let's set this up, guys. We know that no matter how many machines there are, each one produces 14 toys. So could I say it's just the 14 times M? Because M is a number of machines. If there's 2 machines, 2 times 14 will give me the number of toys. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The workers, do they produce toys? No, they pack the toys. So compared to the machine gives toys to the company, to the factory, while the workers take away the toys from the factory. So instead of putting a plus sign here, I'm actually going to do a minus. We don't know the worker amounts, but we say for every worker, they take away 2. And how many are left unpacked? How many toys? We call it 40. Now, the second part of this problem talks about this. The number of workers, so we could call it the W, is equal to 8 less than 7 times the number of machines. Well, we don't know the number of machines, but we know there's 7 times that amount of workers. And don't forget, it was also 8 less than, so minus 8. All right, guys, we're ready to go. Notice that the W is by itself. So couldn't I just do all of this and substitute it on the W? Look what's going to happen. So we have 14M minus 2 parentheses. We're going to replace the W with everything it's supposed to represent. So that could be a 7M minus 8, close the parentheses, and that equals to 40. Well, now, guys, let's do the math. That's a negative 2, don't forget. So it's a 14M. What's negative 2 times 7M? Negative 14M. What's negative 2 times negative 8? Positive 16. That equals 40. Now, here's where it gets interesting, guys. 14M minus 14M, that's just canceled. And 16 equal to 40. Guys, is 16 ever going to equal to 40? No. So this is why there is no solution, because it will never, ever be equal to each other.